Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and like my videos. This video is about a few K1200 demo saws or concrete saws which I've bought. These saws were bought for parts or repair. Let's jump into the video and show you what I bought. Thank you. Yeah, what I have here is a group of demolition saws which I've bought from the auction. These saws were listed as not working. This one is a partner K1200. Had a blade, had a carbide blade. This one is a partner K1200 Mark II. Has a blade. Seem to be whole. This one is a Husqvarna K1260. Has its blade. This one is a Hilti DSR S640. The blade seem to be in bad condition. Thank you for watching my videos. Please remember to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you.